What's going on, everyone? Hope you guys are having an amazing day or night. Today's video, I'm at a Wagon library in downtown to take photos of this amazing 2003 Volkswagen Mark IV Jetta Wagon Supercharged. If you guys want all my presets, let me know in the comments below and I'll make it happen. And let's start the video. Enjoy! Here he is. Took him a while. Alright, let's see what he's up to before we start doing our photo shoot. What's up?
How's it going?
Good.
Sorry it took so long.
It's all good, it's all good. My car is so dirty.
Oh, I know, mine was worse, dude. Especially with the black. Dude.
Yeah.
The black color just shows up.
I thought this was open. Because on the Google Maps it was like 3 months ago. So I was like, oh, maybe it was open.
It's not open?
No.
Dude, I have my duckbill in the car. It looks like shit. But from far away for pictures, nobody.
No, that won't be no problem.
I just haven't clear coated it or anything, and I gotta sand it down and do a couple more coats. Volkswagens, I hate it. That's why I always leave my windows down, dude. They always try to lock the doors. It definitely looks like shit, but from far away.
Far away will be not that bad. Yeah, that'll be fine.
So where are we gonna do the pictures? Right here, or do you want to get inside of there?
I mean, there's like that one-way entrance and one-way out, but...
I mean, I should be able to fit.
Yeah.
Alright, well, where's the entrance on the other side?
Yeah, it's like over here and you go up. So, we'll see.
Alright.
Alright.
So, apparently I made another skill issue, and you guessed it, I lost a footage, and there's a reason why. So, when I was doing my normal photography, I have this head mount that is connected with my hat, and somehow it wasn't doing the best, and it dropped. GoPro's so good, etc., but it took out my battery, which I was recording, and messed up everything. But don't worry, I did some digging how to fix that, and what I found is from Life Through Optics website. I found he's wearing a baseball cap quick release mount, and I'm looking on Amazon and it's very cheap, so that's what I will be purchasing so I don't have any more skill issues. Anyway, back to the video.
There we go. Now don't fall. Now where was I on this? Oh yeah. Oh, don't we just love it? That's right.
Some stickers and whatever too.
Oh, sweet, sweet, sweet. Oh yeah, they're all like,
yeah, they're
and folded in there. So I forgot about these. I forgot you were making them last night. Let's see if we can make this work. Now, yes. There we go.
He's still out.
Really?
Dude, as soon as he gets in the car, he just fucking falls right to sleep.
That's how you know you got a good car. Yeah, you see how this is all open?
Yeah.
My goal was just to get this, but then that fence. Because I saw it on Google Maps and I'm like, oh, it's probably gone by now. Not. Makes no sense.
Yeah, honestly, if you hit it at like a side angle, like kind of
Yeah.
like where we're at, you can kind of avoid the fence, I think.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. I mean, I can always probably edit the fence out or something. Depending how the Photoshop is. Yeah, this fence is in my way. Which still doesn't make any sense about it, because why do we have a fence here and a fence there, but not over there? If they block the whole thing, I'll be okay with that. It's kind of weird. I mean, I could probably make it work. It's just because the sun's over here, but how are we gonna get this fence out here? Like, we'll figure it out, I guess.
This way or this way?
Towards me. That's, yeah. A little bit back, a little bit more. just to back more a little bit. Right there's good. Yeah, we'll use that. Now it looks a little bit more better. Oh yeah, see, that's a lot more better. I'm just gonna have to figure out how to deal with this fence. Oh yeah, we're looking way better. Let me get a little wide on this. Now I'm getting more ideas here. Oh yeah, there we go. Move this guy. Come on. Oh my goodness. Filter. Hello. There we go. So we can move this clarity. It's there. So weird. Oh, got blinded in the face. Jeez. Woo. Damn, got blinded.
I need to get this thing repainted, dude. The paint's rough.
Yeah. I need mine rewrapped. I'm thinking a different color anyway. Boy.
Yeah, my buddy used to have a red one. Pretty sweet. Still asleep.
Holy.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. I mean, there's probably like lots of shots and I'm just like not seeing it. Especially the fence.
Yeah.
Because the goal was, if the fence was here, have the car parked like this and have the whole building in the background. And that's been here for like 3 months, according to Google. But I don't understand why.
I don't know, why is the fence even up if that entrance is open over there, you know?
That's what I'm confused about. It's like this guy's like, how do we get in?
Yeah.
I think I got a lot of photos.
Oh, yeah.
I try to do a lot of close-ups as possible.
Oh, I just realized there was people right there. Is
Huh.
it open?
Maybe this is not open,
Yeah.
which is weird. I mean, it would make sense, but it still doesn't make sense about the fence.
Well, you want to ride your car so you know how to walk?
I can walk there. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. It was like millions of miles away. Yeah.
Right. Probably take this off so it doesn't fly off on me. I mean, it's magneted, but I still don't trust it.
Yeah.
At least until I get it done, then I'll permanently put it on. Shit, yeah, thanks, dude. I'll have some decals and stuff sometime this week, probably like Tuesday or something.
All right.
Thanks, dude.
Of course.
I appreciate it.
Of course.
I'm excited.
I'm excited to edit these. I feel it won't be taking me too long, but especially when you have a black car, you have a black Jetta, it might be difficult, but we'll figure that out.
No worries.
Because the thing is, I remember watching Live Through Optics. He had a black car and he had like a black shadow everywhere. So it was hard for him to edit. And I look at him like, it looks so weird, but at the same time, it's good at the same time.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's still confusing to me, like, why is the fence? I know I keep mentioning that a lot, it just doesn't make any sense. So yeah, well, that's it for the photo shoot. And if you guys are probably wondering, do you take photos of your car a lot more? I don't. And the reason why, because one, it's dirty. Second, it looks weird. It doesn't look weird when you guys see it for maybe the first time or whatever, but there's a lot of things that are just like mid parts or whatever. But yeah. Also, still asleep? Huh?
There's a fence right there, too.
Yeah. That's the part I don't understand. It's all in one spot. that's just open. I don't understand it either. But anyway, yeah, so you guys see, like, there's some parts I'm missing. Like, this is broken. I'm still gotta order this. I need to order a new something up here, maybe like a I just need a whole new wrap. That's pretty much what it is. Like, you guys can get like a cool decals and everything else. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see it, but if you guys can't really see it, I'll put like a clip or whatever of the logos and such. But I still need to take a wrap off anyway, because sadly there's 2 companies in here. Well, I can't really explain too much about it. Yeah, so yeah, that's it for the video. I'll totally come back to this location whenever maybe this fence will be. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys whatever the next photo shoot is, or whenever. Maybe I will probably do a couple things, maybe like a POV like video of me driving the car, or maybe do like a POV like video, maybe of do like a little vlog on here or such. So I don't know, we'll see what happens and go from there. So anyway, I'll catch you guys later on. We'll go for the flow.